Hello, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about Google Images and using them in your projects. So when you go in and search for an image, so let's look for puppies. And then I have taught you guys to click on images. Now you'll find that a lot of these images are cute and useful, however, they might not have the rights for you to use them. So what we should do next is, after you search your images, if you slide this slider over, you're going to see labeled for reuse. If you click labeled for reuse, then you will still find a lot of cute puppies, but these ones are said to be allowed by the owner for someone to use in their own projects. So then you can click on the one that you like and tap and hold like I've taught you before, and then click Save Image. Now that will also go to your images in your photos, and then you can use it in your project. Let me go over those steps one more time. So I'm going to open up a new tab, and this time I'm going to search for kittens. And then I'm going to click on images. And then I'm going to slide over and click on labeled for reuse. And look, I have a bunch of cute kittens that I could use in my project. Tap on the picture to make it larger, tap and hold on the picture to get the Save Image button, click Save Image, and now both of those pictures should be in my photos. There they are right here, and then I could use them in any project that I'm working on. If you have any questions, as usual, shoot me an email.